me. A gentle breeze comes through the trees, carrying whispers on the breeze. I leave my worries far behind and let the evening calm my mind. Lights begin to glow as shadows stretch and rivers flow. Children laugh beside the lane while distant clouds turn pink again. The birds are flying home to rest. The evening sky is at its best, and somewhere down this quiet road I feel lighter of my load. Oh, I'm traveling in the evening light, underneath the fading sky so bright. Every mile a story to unfold, every sunset worth more than gold. The road goes on, my heart feels free. There's a whole wide world ahead of me. With every turn, with every view, I find a little something new. No destination, no need to hurry, no heavy thoughts, no need to worry. Just me, the road, the setting sun, and the feeling that the journey's begun. If tomorrow brings another way, I follow where the road may sway. For life is more than where we go, it's all the moments that we know. Oh, I'm traveling in the evening light, watching stars appear tonight. The golden road fades into blue, but every dream still feels brand new. The road goes on beneath the sky. I keep moving, passing by, and as the evening turns to night, I carry home this peaceful light. The road is quiet, the sky is wide, the evening breeze is by my side, and with the moon above the way, I'll keep traveling till the break